Hello everybody, this is Vandana Yadav, working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And today I have a question for you and I have my opinion on it. And you think about it after the video is over. So the question is that is death penalty justified for the rape convicts? Is that a solution? In my opinion, it is not. We all have heard the slogan "hang the rapist" several times. Even the head of Delhi Commission for Women did go on an indefinite hunger strike until the accused in the Telangana vets rape and murder are sentenced to death. But do you think is death penalty really the solution? Is it the answer? No, because across the world, till now, nobody has been able to conclusively say that the death penalty is an effective deterrent. The call for death penalty, in my opinion, is more an outcome of an outrage than of a serious thought on what should be the solution and what can change the present situation. The governments that want to look like that they are tough on crime, they can opt for death penalty. Else, I don't think so. Death penalty is a solution in order to stop the rape cases. Moreover, they say that the capital punishment is not for those who have capital. In countries like India, where the legal trials are harder on the victims than on the accused, this will lead them to withdraw the case, for sure. Moreover, there is reduced reporting. According to the National Crime Record Bureau, the accused is known to the victim. In such cases, the victim is less likely to report the case of sexual violence and sometimes even face increased pressure from their families to keep the matter to themselves. Thirdly, there are more chances of murder, increased violence. So once it is clear that the death penalty is highly probable in rape cases, it may have the opposite impact. We never know of human psychology. It may have the opposite impact of acting as instead of acting as a deterrent, it could lead the perpetrators making sure that the victim is left dead and are in no conscious state to make a complaint or even recognize the perpetrators. And I think this is happening today. This is the reality of today. Next, there is no consensus among the judges. In many cases, even if the trial court may give a death penalty, the high courts acquitted the convicts on appeal. So there is a certain level of uncertainty on what should be the correct punishment. Tough criminal laws can target weaker sections. The criminal justice system, unfortunately, mirrors the biases of society, including against weaker sections who cannot afford expensive lawyers or to appeal their cases in high courts. A study from earlier this year, for instance, found that the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes are overrepresented in Indian prisons. In addition, 3/4 of the death row prisoners in India are from the lower classes or from the lower caste or religious minorities, another study has found. Rape should not be equated with death. Now, this is something very important according to me. The logic behind arguing for the death sentence for the perpetrators of rape is that the crime they committed is equivalent to death. So, our feminist activists have come out strongly against the notion, which is linked to the idea that a woman's honor, linked intrinsically to her sexuality, is what makes a life worth living. Do you think so? The logic of awarding death penalty to the rapist is based on the belief that rape is a fate worse than death, which is so not true. I think all the women should think about this. There is a need to strongly challenge the stereotype of the destroyed woman who loses her honor and who has no place in society after she has been sexually assaulted. Now we will come to, is capital punishment morally justified? Execution by hanging of Yaqub Menon for his part in the 2003 Mumbai bombings invites us to revisit the vexed issue of capital punishment. I would like you all to ask a moral question. Even if the death penalty deterred the crime more successfully than life imprisonment, that doesn't necessarily mean that it is justified. If the state does not give life to a person, it does not have the right to take life from a person. An opportunity to reform should always be given, a scope for improvement, betterment, it should always be there. Punishment communicates to criminals that what they have done is wrong and gives an opportunity to apologize and reform. Values like mercy, forgiveness, we have an Indian system which should be practiced. There has been no concrete evidence showing that death penalty actually deters a crime. On a practical note, a death penalty is very expensive than imprisonment. Contrary to the popular belief, the death penalty is actually more expensive than keeping an inmate in a prison, even for life. While the cost for the actual execution may be very less, but the overall cost surrounding a capital case is enormously high. Capital cases can drag on for years due to the endless court appeals. It can be difficult for the victims' families to heal, thus delaying the closure. This is all what I think about. This is my opinion about death penalty not being justified for the rape convicts. What is yours? I would like to know. Thank you.